Hey guys, got a 2021 plate Nissan Juke here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this, you want to make sure your ignition is switched on, and then go to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, you want to go to settings in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to go to clock. Now if you want it to be on automatic, you can press clock mode automatic, or go to manual if you want to do it on your own. Then you can go to set clock manually, adjust to what you need, what time you need, and also the date. And then when you're happy and you want to save it, you press back and that's going to save it.